This is the Aero Racetech exhaust for the Suzuki V-Strom 650 from 2017 through 2020. This Racetech exhaust features a diamond-shaped profile, which makes it possible to reduce the overall dimensions of the exhaust while still keeping a traditional shape. Now, what this shape does, it helps reduce the overall weight and dimensions of the exhaust while still increasing the internal volume. This is going to give you great advantages to performance and sound while still keeping a great-looking exhaust. The exhaust is available in titanium, carbon fiber, and aluminum with different colors of the aluminum as well. Headers are also available to make a full system out of the exhaust. Make sure to order your Aero system at accessoryinternational.com.
Thanks for watching our video today. My name is Alex at Accessories International out of Miami, Florida. Give us a call for any questions, and thanks for tuning in.